So here's the situation. I only have the one vacuum pump on, and to give you a demonstration of what happens when you try to draw a vacuum through just a refrigerant hose, this is an 8 CFM pump. This goes down to 15 microns, 20 microns, so it has excellent capability of drawing down. I have this off, this on, and I'm basically stalled out right here. It is not going anymore because it's a big system, little moisture in the system. It's having a problem. It's stalled. So now I'm going to open up the second vacuum to a pump that's capable of going down to 3 microns through a silicone hose, and let's open this up and I will actually show you what the difference is. Boom. That is the difference of a second vacuum pump that has a silicone hose, and off to the races we go. And this is that was demonstrating when you use refrigerant hoses through a good vacuum pump, it will stall out. When you use something like this through a silicone hose through a good vacuum pump, this is the result. And now it's clicking down a little at a time. We have progression. It's actually moving forward instead of stalling out on a wet system. That's all.